Hi students, how are you? In last two class you have learned a poem and story from the unit 1. But today you are going to learn unit 2. In this unit there is a poem. That poem name is Birds Talk. Now I will ask you one question. Tell me, which is your favorite bird? For me, peacock. It's really wonderful and colorful bird, right? Now let's read the poem. Birds talk. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feather at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Things, said the robin, things, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? The poem is written by Alan Fisher. Now let me introduce few new words and their meanings. See here, funny. The meaning of funny is silly. Wires. The meaning of wires is cables. Beetles. The meaning of beetles is bug. Feather. The meaning of feather is wing. Now I am going to explain about the poem. That two birds are talking about human beings. Now let's start the poem. From this first stanza, poet is telling that there is a beautiful garden. In that garden, two birds are talking. Those birds' names are Robin and Jay. In second stanza, the poet is described that Robin and Jay are talking about the people, how the people are growing. Robin says the people don't have feather, so that they can't fly. In the third stanza, bird says that human don't eat bug, worm, pest. They don't have wings. They don't sit on the wires and cable because those are unsafe to the people. In the fourth stanza, whatever the birds are doing, people cannot do. Example like flying across the cloud, eating bugs, that's why Robin and Jay conclude that people are funny and living their own world without flying. Now I have a worksheet for you. Complete the worksheet and send it to the 3rd English NAPS WhatsApp group at evening 6 to 8. See you in the next class. Thank you.